Hello, my name is Kai Chen. In this video, I'm going to introduce my CA of distributed systems. As you can see, this is an application that have live streaming service, and it is actually a facial recognition server. As you can see in the README files, to run this application, firstly we need to install the required packages. So we need to run this command in the root file, in the root folder. As you can see, it's gonna install all the dependencies. Then to run this application, we need to run the command that python server.py. As you can see, we can access this application through localhost or the IP address. As you can see, now I can see the recognition frame on the web page through the localhost, and I can also access this website by using the IP address. And also I can use this application on my other device, as you can see here. And as you can see, they are all working well. And now you can see that this is a little bit lag, so we can change the code that let the code to skip some frames. So I'm gonna do this, and this. And now we can rerun this application. As you can see, now it's not lag anymore, but there is some blinking on the frame because it deals with the frame skip every single frame. So this is what will happen. But now you can see there's no anymore lag. And as you can see, this is a facial recognition application, so we can recognize some photos in the folder we have called faces, and this is Jing. And we can do many faces, such as we can see Taylor Swift, and for the unknown faces it will say that this is unknown, as you can see here. And we can have many faces, and not only 3. Such as we can have many faces. So this is the demo, and now I'm gonna go through the code. As you can see, we have 2 Python files and 1 HTML files. So I'm gonna go through the string file firstly. We firstly load the files from the faces and only loading photo files. And in this function, we will get all the images in the faces folder. Then we have a function that calculated the confidence score. After that, we have the functions that can compute the face encodings for the known images. Then this is the main functions of this application. This function is used to detecting faces in a video frame and comparing with known faces encoding. Firstly, we will skip image if it is empty, because there's nothing to do with empty image. Then we're gonna resize the frame, and it's about 25%. As you can see, it is included in the requirements. So it depends on this scale factor, which is here, about 0.25. After that, we're gonna convert the image and loop each faces. Then we're gonna use the face recognition to do the things. After that, we're gonna have this frame on the photos, and it will return the image with the frame. And after that, we can have many threads. One is camera thread that is using for read frames from camera, and we have a process thread, which is process frames, which it will use the things I told you before. And then it's the display thread, it will display frames. So there's 3 separate frames that for camera reading, model inference, and image display. And after that, we have a function called generate frames. In these functions, we can generate frames to be displayed on the web page. So as you can see, this is how it works. And in the server files, I have a function that can get the local IP, because that I can use some functions from Socket.io to get my local IP. So I need to use Google DNS service to get my local IP, as you can see here. And after that, we can run the servers. Use this command, and the threads for many users to use is here. So we can define what threads we like. And as you can see, it will get the IP address and the localhost to run in these files and allow users to use. And that's all about my application. Thank you for watching these videos. Bye bye.